I've been taking these antioxidant gummies every
This
morning
gummy is
lately,
incredibly
and I honestly-
energetic.
Every clip you just watch are entirely made with AI. The brand element exists, the product was never made, no creature was ever filmed, no camera was ever turned on. All of it came out of one Claude chat running all your creative teams. And now I will show you exact setup so you can just copy paste it for your brand. A decent UGC created costs $300 to $500 per video, a product photo shoot of 1,000 plus, and you reshoot every time you change packaging. An agency retainer 3 to 5K months before they made you anything. Two things changed recently that break this whole model. In June, Anthropic released Claude Fable 5. It's their new top-tier model, multi-step bow, and actually meant the other agent to get there. And Higgsfield, the AI video company, shipped an official MCT connector. Lets Claude generate images and video directly inside the chat from over 30 models: Sora 2, VEO 3.1, Kling 3, Nano Banana Pro, all behind one connection. Put those two together and Claude stops being a copywriter and became the creative director and the production team. Right. First setup, because this takes 2 minutes and people overcomplicate it. Inside Higgsfield, you click on MCT, copy the link, and then go inside Claude. Clip connectors and add the Higgsfield MCP, you name it whatever you want, and it's now an official hosted connector. So there is no API key to manage. You click add, it opens Higgsfield in your browser. The sign in, one thing to know, generation use Higgsfield credit for your plan, and Claude can actually check your balance and tell you what model cost before it runs it. So no surprise bills. Alright, now before jumping into the prompting, without the context file, an AI creative team produces a generic AI slop. The second step would be a brand context file. Mine covers 5 things: who the customer is, the brand voice, visual identity, what claims we can and cannot make, and what winning ads in this niche looks like. I pressed it once at the top of the chat, and every asset downstream inherits it. Next would be giving Claude the team. We have 3 prompts that defines 4 essential roles. Of course, we can add more, but these are the most important one that needs to be in your setup. First of all, we have the creative director who turns the campaign goal into concept and shot list. Then we have an ad copywriter who writes hooks and primary text trained on the brand voice. Then we have, of course, the copywriter. The writer, he writes the performance copy in the brand voice for the concept that the director already selected. Then, the most important part, we need the visual producer who writes the actual generation prompts and picks the right Higgsfield model for each asset. And of course, by the end of it, we will need a reviewer who checks every output against the brand file instruction. We will start with setting up campaign goal. For example, launch creative campaign for a supplement brand. Here you can change whatever industry you're in, your product type, and so on and so forth. Cold traffic, Meta and TikTok ads, run the full team. I want 3 concept, 5 static ad variants. Here you can change it to 1, 10, you put 10. 5 static ad variants of winning concept, 2 product hero shots, and 15-second UGC style video. Of course, every detail here, you can adjust it when you have the prompt template of your own. So here, for example, it gives you 3 hooks. For here, I like this one. The creative director comes back with 3 concepts, 3 POV hooks example, even faster than you are. POV, you're 72, but your skin's been through a war. The skincare routine that's missing 1 step. POV, your 12-step routine isn't working because the damage starts inside. I love this one. Then we have next POV hook. You give up, consider fixing, tired because it was never about sleep. I made it clear in the prompt that I want these trendy, viral, human influencer POV styles, and of course you can adjust the style that is aligned with your brand, and you can access this file on your drive here. And as you can see, you have the whole document with a table output. One more thing, guys, everything I used today is packaged into one document: the prompts, the template, the master workflow, the brand context, and the link in the description. So here guys, the team just hand me concepts and copy ideas on a page. Nothing can run yet. Now you just choose or take one of these hooks, ideas, and turn it into actual asset, and this is how Higgsfield connector earns its place. You can choose whatever concept you want, your best hook, then paste the prompt from our document in the link in the description. This one gives Claude the possibility to give order to Higgsfield, and for example here it will generate the first draft, and if you're happy with it, of course you can just publish it, share it, download it right away. If not, you have the possibility to recreate a new variation until it looks exactly how you want it to be. Then you can change look, avatar, messaging, and so on and so forth. The best part is if you manage to have the latest prompt that ideally work for you, for your brand, you can reuse it all over and over again for future product. This, guys, will save you hours of brainstorming new ad concepts, writing hooks, and creating from scratch. Instead of sharing look into a blank page, you will start from a solid first draft in minutes.